Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to restart this PC. The usual way to restart your computer is by opening the start menu, after which you're gonna have to select power options and then select restart or update and restart if you have some updates pending on your device. And if you cannot access this menu, then you can force restart your computer by pressing and holding the power button for a while on your machine until the power indicator light goes off, and once it's turned off, just press the power button once again to turn your device back on, and this way you will also restart your Soyo. Now let's wait until the device boots up, and so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.